met with the Houston District leadership to propose an electric vehicle project, and we didn't have to do a lot to convince them. Quincy and Mark and the entire team were all in. They told us, if you have the vehicles here tomorrow, we can use them.
First off, I want to thank Dalton and his team for leading us in this effort. Obviously, we've got some folks around here that take us to new places because they're brave, number one, they're smart, and they're not afraid of a little risk. This situation, it wasn't so risky. Maybe it was risky just because we didn't know all the details about it. We had guys like Walter Hambrick, who's now helping the city, and we've got access to him if we need him, and others that encourage us to step up. And I'll tell you from a practical standpoint, this has been very helpful. We do so many trips right around the district, whether we're going down to City Hall Annex, Metro, Harris County downtown, many of the surrounding areas. And if you take my pickup down there, it's a pain in the neck parking that dog, all right? These things are quick, quiet, and small enough to slip in just about everywhere. The other thing is that, like Dalton said, it's the right thing to do, okay? It's economical, it's practical, it's good for the environment. And I don't know, you guys have worked around me for a long time know that I might not always said things like that, but it's here, it's at the right time, and we're given an opportunity to lead, and that's all you ever ask for, just an opportunity to be in the game.